Sandro has to choose Chun-Li costume, so he has a lot of choices to make.
I have the
That's actually the best costume for G, the best color, with the mask.
Yeah, we
you're going for the
actually
Jim
know
Carrey.
from where it is inspired. I mean, there's no mistaking in it. I wonder how they chose the color. Why they did choose this one.
They
What's
watched the mask. They watched the mask.
La Maschera. But there's only one mask, it's Vegas.
Yeah, but G is so good he doesn't lose his mask. What? That anti-air though.
Le anti-air. En nu doet ze bijna games.
Le contrevent.
And now, if you don't know what G does, it can be tricky. And we didn't play the game since season 2.
I led G for an hour for an online tournament, and the one thing I kept was that I should not challenge G on, because he has so many ways to how to call it,
To do things.
range trap you.
Okay.
Where he's minus, but if you press anything, you still get hit.
And the first round goes to Alex.
Ain.
You're trying.
I think I was lucky, so.
You did some good decisions.
First round is data.
Oh yeah, like last time.
Oh, that low. That
Now
full
he's-
low.
Oof. And hij is on deck though. Ja, Kuren Shaku. Ooh, that's cross up.
No!
Cheeky dash up.
I don't know, and then I see.
Oh, he's got
The
command
grab.
grabs.
Acting like you won't get command grab.
And then not.
Yo, the whiff punish! Why you whiff it?
Why you whiffing, boy?
No!
Right back at you.
Still not dead though.
Yo, both
Oh dear.
both wake up supers, man. High level play right there.
I mean,
Hey, if it
I
worked.
heard so. It's actually really
No. Chun-Li. Oh no.
Oh. Here comes Actalis.
Can't you follow up with another kicks?
I think so.
Or is it rage beating?
I think the legs are minus except EX.
Okay. Ah, okay, with EX.
Even EX is minus, I think. -2, but still. Don't quote me on that though, I'm not sure. Wow, that whiff.
Yeah, I know.
That's muy weak. The president.
Look at me, I'm neutral.
No, come on.
No!
It doesn't work. It
No!
doesn't work.
Oh my, what? That Mexican.
OP, Capcom, please nerf.
What's behind them?
Oh, that.
No, that was lucky.
I was a bit too greedy, I think.
I saw you coming. And
Yeah,
I'm
I know.
I'm gonna do some spinning bird kicks. Yo, I received money.
Yeah, they try, but yeah.
I mean, your anti-airs are on point though.
Yeah.
Gotta watch out for those.
Yeah, it takes some getting used to. I have that bad mistake of always wanting to charge up even though you block a move, so...
Yeah.
What's the move?
I mean, you gotta learn.
Oh, that.
It's also a bad habit to lose. You only go away with experience.
No.
Ooh,
What's Chun-Li's V-skill 2 though? What happened?
V-skill 2.
Yeah. I can't remember. I also didn't watch all the
I
videos
only know
about it.
that Chun-Li's don't like it much.
Okay. Then it's useless. Gränskräcker. Oh, the third strike with pun. The A.
Hey, that's carrying V-skill 2.
Oh no, I was in the air.
Oh, wow.
Oh, can you finish it? No.
Could have. He had CA.
No.
Oh, don't jump.
He's got the anti-ass.
And he's the president of the world. I'm like, yay. Ah, fireballs too. Oh, nice block of cross up. He learns. Ah.
He's just waiting there, trying to get the low.
Fishing like. Oh no.
Yeah. Next time you gotta commit to punish.
I'm scared. What? He was waiting.
Look at G. He controls neutral now. No! Oh, wow.
Okay, I just do.
And you did good because yeah.
If
I
at
should
first
grab
you
up
don't
because-
succeed.
I should that up. Frame. EX leg. It's -2.
The prosciutto legs.
The shiny leg.
Wow.
Back to the corner you go. Well,
Chun-Li's like, I'm gonna float out of here.
yeah. Chun-Li did a Rashid. What?
Oh fuck, we don't talk about Rashid.
No.
The guilty
Oh,
gear
man.
character.
You have to keep him in the corner.
Ja, Kurenskaku, man. Oof.
The legs are mad fun. You should commit to the punish.
No.
Wow.
Just doing.
Oh, I forgot everything.
Yeah, G at level 2, he can push out specials like he, whatever. He doesn't care.
Nah, he doesn't give a
Power
fuck.
Yeah, I think I never played the second V skill, but I think that the second V skill allows you to keep up the presidentiality for a certain. I mean, even though you fall down, you keep a level of presidentiality. But I never tried it though.
My entire game plan against G revolves around just causing knockdowns all the time.
Yeah, but that's
V reversal into knockdown. I don't care.
Ooh, straight.
Oh, okay, it's not that minus. You cannot punish people.
Ooh, I got all the moves.
Ooh, damn.
Oh, command grab.
Acting like you won't get command grab. Oh yeah, no, that's a multi.
No! Come on, grab.
No!
Wow.
I'm live again.
He just silent. Oh,
Believe the comeback? No.
okay.
I think.
No, I don't.
Actually, you could have chipped because Alex Sane activated, so he had no viewer vessel to get out of it.
True.
And you can only cheat with supers in this game.
No! That was a normal
I
fierce.
think you should.
I know Street Fighter is unique for this, but I kinda like it. But that's also because I'm kinda defensive. So anything that stops me from getting kills is good for me.
True. I got a punch too. Ish. Ja, tu rent Jaku. Wow. 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 No.
Wow.
No. You got
Come on.
Oh, that's gonna hit.
Why?
That's gonna hit.
That's cheap, man.
Oh. Oh.
Alex can win.
You have the advantage. You don't need to press anything.
I just got an answer.
That's good kung fu.
Almost had it, Alex.
almost.
I believe.
I think
you.
I lose my patience at a certain point. That's what it's, that's what it's about.
Almost.
And again, the whiff, and trying to load to charge my presidentiality, even though.
Yeah, you should you should not do that on block.
Yeah, I know. it's just a bad habit, I think.
Gotta learn the hard way. That's what fighting games is all about.
No.
Oh wow! Grab that overhead.
Yo, that overhead sucks.
I get hit by it way too much. It combos in V-Trigger 1.
Doesn't she have a crosser?
Oh, I'm dead.
You should
Oh, that's
have.
dead.
Oh, that's dead, yeah.
GG's, man.
Big things.
Will it kill?
Yeah, I did.
See it work. Pay.
Oh, this got fucking up.
Jotaro.
Ojo-sama, what?
Wee.
Ho ho, that's the Ojo-sama laugh, but in Dio. What?
What?
Huh?
I'll show you the divide in our class.
Oh, she's scary. Okay, now I have fast pace.
Oh, I was too early.
Too early.
I'm gonna do that though.
That was way too late. Wow.
I do the heavy one.
Oh my god.
Oh, it tried to shimmy.
Oh my god. That was an overhead.
I should have done the V-trigger though.
Oh damn. I do this wrong input lately where I jump. So bad.
Maybe because you're just bad, man.
Stop that. Oh my god.
Yo, can
Wow.
Blacks.
Right to the face.
Oh my god. Oh, that was the new punish. I was labbing.
Oh.
I was labbing, I swear, I know that punish.
That's not gonna kill. That's not gonna kill. That's not gonna kill. No.
It's not gonna kill.
Why didn't it work?
Because I activated the trigger.
Oh yeah, because we have. I just stopped time. The can.
Knew he would. Anything I see that just resembles it, I press speed reactivation instantly.
For me personally, even though I'm just spectating, every time I see, you know, Vega jumping up like that, I'm just like stressed out, you know, and I'm not even playing against him.
It's actually easy. Just have to jump light punch
With some
or not do
characters.
that.
Oh god. Drops. Oh no, not after the corner.
Yeah, right back in. Oh.
No.
Wow.
No.
I always do that.
Command grab no.
Free punish.
Nice. Oh wow. Getting mixed. Ooh, I saw that. Jag tycker two shenanigans.
Oh no!
Oh man.
Man.
Come back. I believe. I jinxed it now. Thank me later, Mike. Le Jinx.
Oh my god.
Oh wow.
Yo, it's still clinging to life.
I don't know what to do.
What to do? Ooh, ooh.
Oh
Oh.
no!
No.
Oh damn.
I didn't have any meat or not.
Oh, 10 seconds left, and it's over.
Oh god. I forgot to watch
To watch your what?
my
Damn.
Nice match.